Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to install CapCut software for video editing on your computer. Let's begin. Open Chrome or Firefox. Go to the search bar and search for CapCut. Select the first link. Click download for free. Wait for the download to start. After a few seconds, go to your File Manage or from Windows search CapCut. When you get CapCut, right-click and run as admin. This is the final step so that the software can be fully installed and work. After you click it, now wait for it to finish. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Check next video on how to install it on your smartphone. Bye!